Okay, we got the shims figured out in here. And put a shim on the idler gear also, so it's not quite as loose. But now we got the tack drive in here and we have an issue. Something making noise in there.
It's the tack drive, you think? Or is it bushing on it idle? Okay. That's it. Ticky, 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 ticky.
So I don't know what that is, but
It's the tack drive. That's what messed it up. Huh?
it's making the idler gear make noise.
Yeah. You take that bushing back out?
I don't know what's going on with it.
You don't like a bushing.
Something is not happy in there.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what I do here. I'll leave that on. That's why you check every stinking little piece.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to put it together without it, and it reminded me.
Yeah, I know. I guess we don't need it.
No, it doesn't work.
Mm-hmm. Well, I tell you, from my limited knowledge of these things, I don't remember one being in there. Period.
I had one in there because I had a hole filled.
Hole filled.
The big oil leak didn't have anything in there.
No, I'm talking about the idler bushing.
I don't know what you're worried about no idler bushing for.
Well, I thought it was going to make it better, so. Oh, came with you.
Mm-hmm.
Stuck on that thing.
It's probably grinding that bushing in there a bit. Alright, what we got for towels here? Oop, grab that one.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh, another one. Okay.
I want that out for a reason.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See that brass residue sitting on that bushing right there. See that mark right there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We'll put the camera over there.
Mm-hmm. I'm seeing it. I'm looking right at it.
So we gotta go ahead and grind that away because that's what we're hitting on.
What the hell? Oh, okay. That bushing, huh?
Yep. See, we didn't grind it back out. All right, so I'm gonna go grind out with a little grinder, and we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, we got the. Ooh, that's bright. So we grind that out with a rotary burr right there. So now it's all radiused in there like it should be. So now we should be able to go right on in there like it's supposed to. Right here. Doesn't bind like it was.
Mm-mm.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm. I gotta ask you, how come it didn't bind before? New bushing?
So put a new bushing in there.
Okay.
The dumbass didn't grind it away.
Okay.
I don't know who that was though. Who put those in there?
I don't know, man.
Damn dumbass. The other thing I didn't grind it right here either.
It's not touching, isn't it?
In this particular case, no. But if you had the bigger diameter bushings, the ones that go way out to here,
Yeah.
you would definitely have to put the crescent kind of in there.
Mm-hmm.
But these ones here, there's plenty of room to bigger can go in there.
Okay.
Because dumbass didn't grind those back either. There's a lot of dumbasses around here. So watch out for them guys.
Well, hey, it runs in the family a lot of the time.
That's right. I think it did.
It's like diarrhea, it runs in the family.
Alright, so now we got hopefully all the mishaps figured out. Now we need to go ahead and get this thing assembled for real. So we're going to figure out where all the shims went to.
Stuck right there.
One down there.
There's one on the floor by your foot.
I'm saving that for later. Alright. This way you can mix them all up. That one's out. Gasket goes in the way. Now I can get this shim out. Where'd that go?
Number 1.
No, it went on number 2.
Oh, did? Okay.
This is number 2 over here also. This might have some residue dirt on there now, see? Some residue on there. So having fun playing out there with the fire engines today.
Yeah. Somebody must have stumped their toe.
Yeah.
Run down there and get them.
Hitting toward downtown. That's where all the bums are at. They're having bum fights again.
It's been a while, I forgot all about that.
I always like to put the thickest shim toward the cam because it's the one that eats on it.
Okay.
So if you have a choice of cam, of what shims are going where, what you have to play with, put the thickest one against the cam. Okay. And this one we made for in here.
Mm-hmm.
So this was a rocker shim.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's
Idler shim.
that's another shim. Okay. So now we get to go ahead and lubricate all this crap. Now, I like putting a lot of lubricant on these things that I put together.
Mm-hmm. Lube it or lose it?
Yep. So that's well lubed. See, I did it?
Mm-hmm.
Fancy.
Yeah, right down the middle.
This is number 3. Don't put it in number 1 hole.
Mm-mm.
Make sure the countersunk hole is out. See right here, countersunk.
Mm-hmm.
Flat.
Just a little bit, too.
This one was trying to get away. More of them going. Guess the first 3 wasn't enough. That's the fire engine in the background over here.
Slick.
No, it's oily.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one? 4.
The old Fred's Barbie having a break right now down having a martini or something at the officers club. He's out, but he still hangs out with them.
Yep.
He's a lifer.
appears you're off by one.
Okay.
That leaves this one.
Number 2.
And you also want to make sure you get over here that holds the shims in too.
Mm-hmm.
That way they don't fall out. We're not placed to hold on. Close enough.
Good, 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 good.
Where's my numbers at? Come on, find the hole. There it goes. We got them off on both.
Yeah.
Exactly, 1 tooth off on both. Okay, so lines up, lines, 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 and no lines. What's up with that?
Mm-hmm.
It's moving there somewhere. There it is. This one will leave dry because dirt and stuff will stick to it.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be a year before you put it back in the bike.
Yeah, hopefully not.
Maybe a little quicker.
Yeah, I hope.
Alright, so those are all in there.
Yep.
Let's see, before we go that far. Okay, now we need to get some seals and gaskets, and we didn't put the seals, we didn't put all the seals away?
Oh yeah, that big box on.
Yeah, I put it away. Okay, so we have to put the seal in here now, over here.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll press that in with the press, and then we got to do the gasket, which is over here. You scoop that up the gasket goop.
Okay.
And get the seal real quick.
Okay, I'll shut her off for a minute.